Good morning. This is our first mush meal. I guess we should say brunch. They are in the playpen for the first time. You can see they're all wiggly in there. They're excited. And we're going to unleash them to their bowls of food right here for the first time.
All right.
This video will probably be a little lengthy.
Maybe some hesitation at first because they don't know.
Good morning. Or I should say good afternoon. Oh, right to it. Nice job, Angus. Oh. Now you'll see there are two dishes. Let's see if this, oh, look at this friend. Being smart. Okay. Oh, Nacho, you get in there, buddy. You get in there, Nacho. Oh, well, okay, so we got moved to a new location. Try to do 4 and 4, that way everybody can eat, see? This 4 is nicely spread out. This 4 has decided to devour the side. But they're doing a good job. So far, we don't have any paws in the dishes yet. I know I've just put it out there, so it's about to happen any minute.
Not a single paw in.
I know, that's what I just said. I said I just put it out there, so now it'll probably change. This litter is very, very good about getting out of the pool to go potty in the middle of the night. They are really, really good puppies. That's Mama out back. If we let her in, she'll come in and eat all the food. But let's go in for a closer look. This is our friend Taco going to town. Taco! Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mom. Oh, we're going for the scraps outside the dish. Oops, sorry. Nugget. The Nugget head. I should tell you, Nugget is one of our grievers. He tends to cross the barriers, like just now, putting his paw right in that dish.
Paws in the dish.
And then back to Nacho. Still up. We got Nacho paw in, paw out. Put the left paw in. Oh my goodness. We have Angus and T-Bone right here. Oh, I'm sorry, that's not T-Bone. I keep doing that. This right here is Matilda. I'm sorry, Matilda, you have the same little bit of fur on the back there. That's Matilda. And that's Angus. They're just going to town. Let's see if I can get a little bit better view of them. Not really, they're face down. Let's go back over here. We're gonna look at Waffles. He's face deep over there with Taco. That's our good friend Sugar Pie. She is the biggest escape artist in the house. This one, yes. She has figured out a way to climb over plastic that is zip tied to escape and get free in the room. Everybody else is fine. She doesn't get out and cry, by the way. She gets out and does adventures. That's our little Oreo right there. Here's our little Oreo. He's going to town. You liking that food? Oh, now we're 2 paws in. Oreo's got 2 paws in. following Mom over there. We got some.
Using them tops on the table.
Yep, we have some friends that are done. Oh, some friends that are coming back. Daisy? No! Daisy!
No food for you. You'll get plenty.
You'll get whatever's left over. And of course adult food. That goes without saying. Waffles! Waffles!
Daisy,
They're clean in that dish. Good.
Really?
Oh, you know what? I think I've turned the camera a few times on you guys. I'm sorry. Obviously, very obviously, not a professional. Matilda's still going to town, boy. Nacho back at the dish. Taco decided to eat some crumbs off the floor. Honey, if you have a spoon, I'll kind of push it down. Looks like we're getting close to the end. Daisy? No. Come on, let's go in there. Oops, sorry, had a little poops in there. Oh, she's going at it. Matilda. The Angus Among Us. I think that's Toby. Forgive me on that one. I don't know why it won't stick. Oreo. We got Oreo and waffles. I will do another video later on as well because they're going to pass out after this. It will be nap time for sure. I think they're a little chilly because we got the fan on. Here's a good face shot. There we go. Now we see some faces. Oh, it's escaping. Oh, left all by yourself, dear buddy. How you doing, Oreo? Good. I got the whole plate to myself. I can walk around it.